In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Hostinger account with GitHub in just a few minutes. So let's jump straight into it. First, open your browser and head over to Hostinger's official website. If you're someone building a new project or managing an existing website, Hostinger gives you a clean, easy to use dashboard along with powerful tools, which makes it perfect for beginners and developers. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the top right corner and click the login button. Enter your details and access your account. After logging in, you'll land on the Hostinger dashboard. This is where all your services, domains, and hosting features are managed. Next, click on the Hosting tab in the main menu. Now find the domain you want to connect to GitHub. Right beside it, click on the Manage button. This will take you into the hosting control area where you can adjust settings, install platforms, and activate advanced options. Scroll down until you find the Advanced section. Here, Hostinger gives you more technical tools, and the one we need is called Git. Click on Git to open the version control panel. This feature allows you to pull updates directly from GitHub and automatically deploy your projects, making it much easier to maintain your website's latest version. Even if you're new to version control, Git helps you track every change, undo mistakes, and collaborate more efficiently. Now, open GitHub in another tab. Go to the repository you want to link and copy its URL. This is the address that allows Hostinger to pull your files. Switch back to Hostinger and paste the URL into the repository field. Make sure the link is correct to avoid connection issues. After pasting it, click Create or Save to finalize the setup. Hostinger will immediately scan your repository and connect it to your hosting environment. Once connected, you can deploy updates with just a click. Every time you push changes to GitHub, your Hostinger site can be updated automatically or manually depending on your settings. This turns deployment into a smooth workflow instead of needing to upload files one by one. If something doesn't work, double-check the repository link, your branch name, and your GitHub access permissions. These are usually the main reasons for errors. And that's it. You've now successfully integrated Hostinger with GitHub, giving you a faster and cleaner way to manage your code, publish updates, and keep your site organized. This setup is perfect for portfolios, development projects, or any website that needs frequent updates. If you ever want to disconnect or switch repositories, you can revisit the Git panel anytime and make changes. Happy hosting and enjoy building your projects.